What's going on, everybody? This is Steve from Bloom Audio. Today we've got an iBasso DX340 with one of the new AMP16 cards. Cover over the process of replacing the card and talk a little bit about the difference in sound. So inside the box, warranty card, amp card itself has a pair of those Raytheon tubes that are really popular in portable tube gear. Got the screwdriver you're going to need in a minute, and they include some extra screws in case you have any screws loose. Now to replace it, first thing you want to do is make sure your unit is turned off. Next, we're going to use the provided screwdriver to carefully remove these two screws. Once the screws are removed, this will slide out fairly easily. And then the new one will go in kind of upside down of the screen and put the screws back in. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you go to Settings, System, Updater, make sure you have the latest firmware installed. You gotta update the firmware to provide support for the AMP16. AMP16 and AMP15 cards have the same basic capabilities: 4.4 balance, 3.5mm single-ended, and the DC 12-volt input will provide you with improved output power. So I was able to spend a bit of time comparing the AMP15 and AMP16 cards in the DX340. The main difference is pretty much what you would expect from a tube versus solid state card. AMP16 is a little bit warmer, more thickness and weight to the mid-range, and even in the imaging, that sense of body is there, but it's a little bit of a smaller stage. 16 also punches a little harder in the bass, where AMP15 feels a little bit more extended into the sub bass. 15's got the larger sound stage and a little bit more refined imaging, where 16, again, it's weight, thickness, and just a little bit of warmth over 15. And whether you prefer warmth in general, that makes 16 a good pick, or just want to have a couple options available for different genres or other things, the switch isn't that hard to do, and 16 is a great option to have.